You know, there are a lot of benefits to having backyard chickens, especially for gardeners with access to that composted manure. But who wants to clean the coop all the time? Not me. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a better way. It's called the deep litter method, where you can have access to that composted manure without having to clean the coop all the time. When it comes to homesteading, there is so much going on, and usually that involves animals. Probably at the top of the list, chickens. Now, we know where there are animals, there's manure. But we also know as gardeners how important manure is to the garden. The key is to how to manage that manure efficiently, especially between the fresh and the finished stage. But one of the best ways to do that with chickens is called the deep litter method. Now here's how this works. The chickens come in at night and they roost on this bar, on this upper level. But the key is, while they're sleeping, usually they're doing their thing and a lot of manure collects overnight. But because this is a layer of sand, think of this like kitty litter where it absorbs some of that moisture. So in the morning you come in here and you rake that manure away. So you just scrape it off and it falls into this lower layer, along with the hay and the straw and any other organic matter. But over the next couple of months, this is going to break down and decompose and become fantastic compost. So then, maybe a couple times a year, you scrape away this top layer and then you harvest this rich organic matter and put it straight into the garden. Nothing could be better than that.